Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to discuss about clearing your view history on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button that you see at the left side and you will be allowed to proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in and ending back within the home page, you can use the search box to search for various different kinds of items. When you make your search, this will add a search history within your profile and it will appear within the search box underneath search history. You can click on the cross icon alongside each entry to clear these entries one by one, or you can also click on the clear all option at the top right corner. Now, when you come across a product that you like, you can click on the heart icon and add it to your wish list. When you add products to your wish list, it can also act as some sort of history which might influence your search recommendations. So in order to clear this as well, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on wish list. From the wish list page, you will see all of your items that are added onto your wish list. Just click on the delete button and then tap on delete once again to confirm your deletion, and now the wish list item will also be removed. And there you have it. That is how you can clear your search history on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.